Hello guys, most people right now think that you need to be genius to make money trading crypto. You don't. Right now, this is my Binance balance and I have made this money trading crypto arbitrage. Let me show you how I did it. First of all, what is crypto arbitrage, guys? Crypto arbitrage means you simply buy USDT or Bitcoin or Ethereum on this exchange and you sell it higher on another exchange. That's what we call crypto arbitrage. And the difference is your profit margin. So for today, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do that. For example, if I go on this crypto right now, let me show you, and then I click on trade section and I want to buy USD worth amount of let's say 100. You see, I'm going to get 98.71 if I buy. If I buy USD worth 100, I'm going to get 98.71. But if I go back to Binance, my Binance.com, and then I click on P2P here, let me show you P2P, and then I click on buy, and I choose amount USDT, okay, and put amount the same 100, you see, and then I choose a vendor like this one called Mariam Con, and I put 100 again. You see the receiving amount is 135. So that's the difference. The difference is your profit now. Okay, that's what we call crypto arbitrage. And so without wasting time, I'm going to buy USDT on Marian Con worth no, not 1,500. Yes, I'm going to buy 500 from here. 500. You see, 500 will give me 678. Let's say because today I have done many trades here, I'm going to buy worth 300. Okay, and you see I'm going to get 406. The profit is 106 after. But if I could have bought this same amount on Binance, let me show you. If I buy on Binance 300, I'm going to get 296. That's a loss of $4. Okay, so without wasting time, let's proceed with the trade. So once you come to the buy section and you pull the amount like that, now you click continue and then you go to payment proof. Okay, so you need to pay the vendor. You need to pay the vendor to the address provided. So what you do, you click on choose payment and choose USDT, and then this is the vendor address. Okay, and so this is the vendor address that you need to copy to. Okay guys, so you need then to copy the address like that, and then you go on your Binance again and you click on assets, and then you click send, withdraw crypto USDT, and then you long press that address here and you choose the network TRX amount. You put, let me check the amount correctly, amount is 300. Yes, 300, amount is 300. So I'm going to put 301. The one extra is for the network fee, and then withdraw, guys, and then confirm. Now I'm confirming the withdrawal. As you can see, my screen is black, so the withdrawal is being confirmed right now. And then at this level now, you need to come and take the screenshot. Take this screenshot here, and then you go to the vendor here, and then you click on payment proof. You need to upload that screenshot here, guys. So I'm going to upload the screenshot there and then click submit, guys. Okay, that's easy as this. So now it's submitting. So you see now the vendor is going to pay. Okay, because you have already paid, because you have already paid, now the next action is to click mark as paid. Okay, so once you click mark as paid, the trade is going to complete in a few, and the vendor is going to release the trade to your account. Okay, so now I'll contact the vendor. Hey, please release the trade. Okay guys, and then I will send. So I'm waiting now the vendor to release the trade, guys. It's very easy, just like that. So as we wait for the vendor to release the trade in a few minutes, let's be as patient as possible. So once again guys, I'm going to close this and check whether the trade has been confirmed. You can see the vendor has texted me done. So you can see here the trade has been paid by the vendor. So now I need to click back to dashboard and log in again. Once I log into my account, now you can see I have the 423 released. So if I go back to trading history, transaction history, sorry, you can see the trade was confirmed 415. I bought with 300 and I had a balance of about 10 here. So now I have 400 and 223.41 USDT, guys. So now the next step I need to do is to click on wallet and then click withdraw, and then here I'm going to choose USDT, and the network is Tron TRC20, and I'm going to put maximum amount. The fee will be $4, and I'm now going to put my address here. I'm going to put my address for withdrawal. So guys, I'm going to click on my Binance, click add funds, deposit crypto, USDT, TRX, copy the address and paste the address here, and then scroll down and click review withdrawal, confirm. Very easy guys. And now you can see the withdrawal has been confirmed and is being reviewed, guys. So I'll wait for the withdrawal to be processed by the network in a few 2 to 3 minutes and get back to you. So now guys, you can see the withdrawal is approved and it's being processed to my wallet. I'm just waiting for it in a few minutes. You always need to be patient at this level. Always be patient, guys. You can see now I'm moving 411 from my Binance to my Binance wallet, where I will sell it in a higher price and make the profit. You can see I made a profit of 100, guys, 111 just a few minutes while I was trading here. Binance is a smaller P2P exchange. Not many people know about it yet. That's why the price hasn't caught up to Binance. When enough people are trading, prices lag. That's a lag your profit. Okay, you see, the lag is your profit. So you need to do exactly what I have done and make the profit, guys. So if I go back to my wallet, you can see now I have remained with $8. So that means the withdrawal must be sent already and successfully. If I go to transaction history, you can see it's now confirmed. No, sorry, withdrawal history. Yeah, here it is. I think it's already confirmed, guys. So I'll go back to my Binance and check whether it has arrived. Let me refresh, and yes, 411.17 has been credited on my Binance account, just like that, guys. So guys, that's how you do the trading step by step without any other error. So make sure you do exactly what I have done, and I wish you all the best. And think about what you just watched in the time it takes to make a coffee. I made the profit of 111, no charts, no stress, just moving money from one place to another. So it's up to you guys, and have a nice day ahead.